Get ready to light up your taste buds because today we are making hot and smoky suya. This Nigerian delicacy is the life of the party, a street food legend, and the perfect dish to steal the spotlight at any occasion. This suya is packed with bold flavor. We're skipping that MSG and bringing a tasty twist with cashew butter instead of the usual peanut butter. And I tell you, it came out absolutely delicious. Here is an overview of all the ingredients we will be needing. And remember, all this description of all this recipe will be below. So we're going to start out slicing the meat into thin strips, kind of like 1/4 of an inch. Just try the best as you can. Just make it as flat as you can, okay? Now it's time to add the soya spice blend, which I have already combined, which is the cayenne pepper. Well, for that, you can cut it in half if you're not trying to cry, you feel like it's too hot, you can do that adjustment to if you prefer a milder heat. So I added that and then smoked paprika and then onion powder, ginger, nutmeg, black pepper, cloves, which is optional, and of course, a hit of salt. Now you pour in all that suya spice blend on the meat. And here I have my sprinkle mix, which we're going to use at the end. It's called yaji. It's similar to the suya spice blend, but we'll use that later for extra flavor. Now I'm gonna add the wet ingredients, which is the cashew butter, minced garlic, and lemon zest, and of course some oil as well. And then you mix it all up into a smooth paste. Add in that oil to make it thin. There you go. Now you pour that smooth paste onto the meat, and then you will start the massaging process, okay? You massage this thing thoroughly to make sure every part of that meat is covered, every corner, every crevices. Put all your energy on this thing, okay? All right, I am done with that, and it's time to marinate it. And you can marinate it for at least 30 minutes or longer if you got the time. So I got the time today, so I did marinate mine. I'm gonna do mine for up to 4 hours. So yeah, we want all that flavor, everything to go in. Okay, so if you can do it longer, the better. And if you're still watching, please don't forget to press that subscribe button, like it, share it, okay? That will be awesome. All right, let's proceed. Yes, after 4 hours, our beef is well marinated and is ready to be cooked. Oh, I'm getting excited. So I have gotten my oven preheating for 425 degrees Fahrenheit. And now I'm going ahead and I'm going to oil my pan and start laying out these juicy meat strips. It's all done. Take off that gloves. All right, let's go. And now it's time to roast. So I'm going to roast for 20 to 25 minutes. And you need to make sure you line the lower rack in your oven with a parchment paper or foil so to catch all those juices so your oven is not all messy. Okay. And halfway through, kind of flip the meat on the other side so the other side is cooked. And yep. And so this is how it's looking. And if you want a crispy finish, you can broil it for 2 to 3 minutes, okay, in your oven, and boom, it will give that crispy look, okay? It's optional. If you don't want it crispy, then okay, we just go to the next step. Yay! So we got it out of the oven. It is cooked. And here we go. Our suya is cooked, and I'm going to transfer all this onto this beautiful bowl because, we got to make this thing look pretty. It's already pretty. So, anyway, we'll transfer it in the bowl. And here we are. Remember that sprinkle mix, which is called yaji? Now I'm going to putting it on top of the hot suya because this is a good time to do that. And I will have that description of that too on how to make the yaji, which is similar to the suya blend. And you just put it on it. You mix it all over your suya. Mix, mix, mix. Let it all blend together, and this will give it some delightful spicy flavor. Okay, you don't have to use it, but it works great. And there you have it. You just made suya like a legend. Ooh, look at that. This is so delicious. I'm telling you. Ooh, gonna make me dance. Oh, some of them are falling out. Okay, you my house, my mouth is on fire. But look, this is so delicious, and I hope you make it. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more recipes, flavor, and a touch of fun. Okay, see you next time. Bye.